Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to build a free website with free domain and free hosting. So simply in order to do this, just go to Google and search for two websites. One of the free nom and the second one is Pro Free Host. You can search it from Google or you can directly move to this website profreehost.com and freenom.com. So when you open the freenom.com, simply you will land to this page. So after that, just here type the name and get the free domain. So simply I have typed this name, and after that simply click on check availability. So now here you can see these domains are free available, and if you scroll down, these domains have price. So simply if you want to buy, you can simply select and buy here, but now in my case I want the free domain. So simply now, as you can see, this domain is free, and here you can see the option check it now, get it now. So simply just click on get it now, and as you can see the error is available that this domain is not available. So simply what I need to do, just I type the name, and at the end I will type ml, and now again I will click on check availability. So if you have this issue, you can also add this extension .ml here, and after that click on select. So this is also not available. So now we will check another one. So now here you can see I have typed another name and domain .ml, and this is available. So simply as you can see I have selected this one. So now go to check out this one. Simply now here you can see this domain is available here. So here you can see use your new domain option, and ID Shield domain name is available here. Forward this domain. So here you can see forward this domain to, like here you can see 3 months free. So you can also use the DNS, host name, IP address, like if you want to add the IP address here, our host name is here. So just you have to click on continue. So just you have to type the domain name here xo.ml, and after that click on continue. So now here you can see domain registration hexo.ml 0.00 USD and total due today. Enter your email address here or simply login with Google. So simply click on login with Google, and now select your account. Now wait for a few seconds. So finally our account is registered and the domain that we have selected. Now we will move to next page. So here you can see the verification email has been sent to my mailbox. So simply go to mailbox and check the email. So simply we will go to Google Mail and check it out. So in order to create a domain, you have to verify your email. So finally, as you can see, free nom email is available here. So simply click on this link, and now here you can see finally we have successfully registered. So first name, you can type your last name. Also you can add your company name here. Also you can add address, like I have already added this address. So simply you can also edit address, zip code, city, country, state or region. So simply just type your cell phone number here, and after that here you can also the option change email. Simply click on complete order. So just select this one and click on complete order. So now wait for a few seconds, our order is being completed. So this domain is not paid, so we can use it free. So after that, when you successfully buy this domain, you can also use this domain for your website. Now we will move to this website profreehost.com, and after successfully you can see we have successfully created a free domain. So this website is available to create a free hosting. So how to do it? First of all, you have to register your account here. Simply click on register now. So just type your email here and select your password here. So just when you type your password, click on yes. Please activate your account. Do not activation email. So just go to your Gmail box and just activate your account. So your account has been activated successfully, redirecting to your account. So as you can see, finally I have created free account on FreeHost. After that, now what you need to do, just as you can see, create a new account option here. So simply just you have to click on create a new account. So here you can see create a new website. So simply enter the tentative name for your website. So simply just type the name of website here. So you don't need to put the Freenom website. You can also create a new website, or simply you can also add any website that you want to free hosting and you want to link here. So after that, you can see click on free domain, and after that click on yes button. So now wait for few seconds. So here you can see this website domain is available and hosting is free here. Simply after that just click on the manage. So when you click on manage, so here you can see the first of line username, status is active, main domain, builder created on. So this is overview. After that here you can see the FTP. So FTP host name is available here, FTP username is available here, FTP password. So simply you can show and copy this password. After that here you can go to DNS. So name server 1 NTS, NS1 liveblog365.com, NS2 liveblog365.com. So in this sequence you can check the DNS. After that here you can see the passwords. So simply here you can also change the password or simply just copy this password. So you need to copy all these passwords into your memory. So after that here you can see the close option. So if you want you can close your account. Now if you want to add a Freenoms domain here, simply you have to copy this one and just go back and just click on manage domain, and here you can see our domain is active. So just go to management tools and here manage Freenom DS, click on edit name servers and simply just paste it here one by one. After that just click on change name server. So now here we back to our website, and here you can see the control panel option. So simply just click on control panel, and now here you have to go to next section. So here you can see I approve option. So simply just click on I approve, and now new tab will appear here. So here finally we have created free domain, and as you can see we have created a free hosting. And now here just all the way scroll down, and just here you can see the Softoculus apps installer. Simply just click here, and now you will move to next page. So here you can see we can simply create now free website. Here there are multiple apps available, so simply click on WordPress, and now here you can see the site setting here. So you can also type the site name here and site description here, admin username here. You can also add the admin email here. You can also add the password. So here you can also select the language. So here you can also select the basic plugins, manage plugin sets. So here you can also set the theme. So like I select this one, click on select themes, and now click on yes. So now after that just scroll down, and here you can see the install option. Simply click here, and now it will take some time to install the WordPress. So you have to wait for a few seconds. So this is very easy way. First of all, you have created a free domain, and then you created a free hosting, and after that here you will create a free website. So as you can see finally our website is created here. So return to WordPress management. So simply you can also add the multiple section now here, like wings, mails, profiles, analytics, DB tools, music, video, RSS. So here you can see the manage plugin, manage themes. So simply you can also add theme here. So in this way you can easily create free domain, free hosting, and free website.